Did your Blender interface suddenly look weird? Panels missing, windows rearranged, or nothing looks like the tutorials anymore? Don't worry, you didn't break Blender. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset the Blender back to default, step by step. First method, and the safest one. Go to the File menu, then choose Defaults, and click Load Factory Settings. This instantly resets all panels, workspaces, and UI layout back to Blender's default. If the interface now looks clean and familiar again, congrats, you're done. But if you want Blender to always open this way, there's one more important step. After resetting, go back to File, Defaults, save Startup File. Click OK, and now Blender will always launch with this default layout. If you only messed up one workspace, right-click the Workspace tab and switch back to the default layout workspace instead of resetting everything. And that's it. Your Blender UI is back to normal. If this saved you time, hit like, subscribe for more Blender tutorials, and drop a comment if you want tips for customizing layouts the right way.